Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. This is the 2018 Hyundai Creta, which was one of the best and the top selling mid-size SUVs in India. So in today's video I'm going to tell you why it was India's most popular and the most selling mid-size SUV. So let's begin. First up guys, let's talk about the design of the car. This car looks pretty much similar to the first generation Creta, which was launched in the 2016. Now it just gets a bigger grill, which is this is the facelift. So it gets a bigger grill, it gets updated headlights. First you had strip of LED DRLs over there. Now it gets a C-shaped near the fog lamp. Then a front towing hook again, nice big logo, chunky logo. And yeah, car looks pretty macho and muscular from the front. Then there are 17-inch wheels, 16-inch are on the lower trims, and I like this design of the wheels. The design of the wheels are more imposing than the ones on the new Creta. I just like these better. Then you get disc brakes in the front. Rear you get drum brakes. I don't know why, maybe cost cutting. Then you get again stop lamp, not stop lamp, just the indicators on the side view mirrors. Chrome door handles, which are pretty imposing. Then roof rails, yes. Then this is for the fuel lid. This is the, again you get LED lights in the rear also. Creta badging there. Then Hyundai logo. This is of course the wiper, rear wiper. Then that is the shark fin antenna, which is nice. SX, to tell you, is the top variant. Then it gets four parking sensors, which are over here. And it gets a rear towing hook. The rear camera is over here. Now let's check out some fake vents with this stick. So fake vents over here, yes. Then this diffuser kind of treatment, that is also fake. And this spoiler does not do any work. It's kind of a subtle spoiler, but it does not help anything. It just tries to improve the design of the car. It does not help in any downforce. Then there is the exhaust down over here, down there. Okay, so let's just ignore that everything. Ignore all the fake vents now, because there are not much fake vents on the car. And auto badging again on the front right fender only. Car looks pretty imposing and nice. Design very good. Inside the 2018 Hyundai Creta, and yeah, quality is very good. You get a leather cover steering wheel with stitches over here. Then you get a nice gear lever also. You get this kind of a soft touch armrest, center armrest. And but on the dashboard over here also, see, it's, look at this, it feels like it's hollow. Not that hollow, but still the sound feels like it's hollow. But the hard plastics also have a good quality. It's not a bad like some lower end cars, but the quality also is pretty good. Then you get power windows. Oh yes. Then you get large door bins in the front. You can store a 750 ml Nike bottle. Then you can even fit a 750 ml Nike bottle in the front cup holders. Then you get the Swachhata can. Then glove box also is big enough. It's deep to store stuff. You get then there's a charging port over here. Then this is the again a 12-volt charging socket. That's a USB port, sorry. Then this is the wireless charger. Then over here you also this is the one-zone automatic climate control. This is for the hazard light switch and the infotainment system. Now it doesn't have all the features like a Venue, but it has some connected car features, like it has a Saturn navigation. You can put destination very quickly. You can even just like 1 second. So you can edit routes. Then go behind. Okay, done. Then you can even do settings, and you can change the sound however you want it according to your taste. And the audio quality also very good. So audio quality is good. The infotainment system is also good. Let's check out the practicality of the glove box. It has a lot of junk in it, and as you can see, it is big enough also. Then you get a sun visor with a mirror. Then there is no mirror over here with the sun visor, but you get a small thing to keep your toll receipts maybe. Twin lights, which are halogen, you get a sunglass holder, then a sunroof which is not panoramic. In the new car you get a panoramic sunroof. Press it one more time, it will go a little bit further behind, but it's not the biggest sunroof, but still it's a sunroof, so it's okay, because Indian customers love their sunroofs. Just keep this open for airy feeling in the cabin. Now this small display you can control by pressing this trip button, so you can browse through a lot of data of the car. Yes, that small display gives a lot of data of the car. Then this for the headlights, this is for the wipers, then this is for this screen, this button is for that screen, and this is for the cruise control. And it gets kind of an adaptive cruise control, so you can just like increase the speed by using this button. Then this for the headlight leveler, this is to increase the intensity of the cluster. So cabin in the front is very good. I'm in the rear seat of the Hyundai Creta and it's pretty comfortable. I have good amount of leg room, and the sitting position of the front seat is normal. A person with 5'8" 5'9" will be comfortable in the front seat. And in the back seat also I have a good amount of space. There is under the support, and the cabin is wide, and the floor is almost flat to seat 3 people abreast. So yeah. Then you get air vents over here. You get a 12-volt charging socket, so kids won't get annoyed when their charging devices get out of battery. You can charge them also. And then door pockets are big enough. You can store again a 170 liters bottle. Then you can remove it easily while the car is in motion. And then the front center armrest has cup holders. You can store this bottle again. It won't rattle around. So even the back seat is pretty good. The boot space of the Hyundai Creta, so you have to open the boot manually. Then the boot opens. It's a decent size boot. You can keep one large suitcase and 2 small suitcases in the boot, and you have some cubby spaces to keep some small stuff, bags maybe. Again, storage over here. You have a light placement to see in the dark, and you can also fold down the seats. So you have to go around. There it's a 60-40 split. You have to pull down this lever, and there the seat folds. Then you have to again go around on that side to fold down the seats. Wish the folding of seats would have been in the boot only, so you can just like use a lever down here or here so that you can fold the seats. But still you have a almost flat floor, so you can store large items through. And yeah, I have kept a big bicycle also in the car, so fitting a big bicycle or some large items not a problem. But you can even remove this partial shelf with this. Yeah, so you have to remove it, but I'm not going to remove it because the boot is not that big to store this partial shelf, so you have to just keep it at home. Which brings me on to 5 other limitations of the car. Let's see what they are. The limitation of the car is that the charging pad only can charge a wireless device which is above iPhone 8. It can't charge any other Android phones. That is a minus point over there. The car right now is showing 10.7 kilometers per liter, and the average is around 11, and the max mileage this car can give is 13. The petrol version of the Creta gets leather seats and electric edges for this driver's seat, but this diesel does not. The Creta only gets 2 airbags, one for the driver and second for the co-driver, whereas the petrol gets 6 airbags. The limitation of this car is that it gets request sensor for the driver, but it also gets a keyhole, which is not that great for a design, because it kind of looks odd that there is a request sensor and a keyhole. But don't worry, this car also gets some cool features which makes up for it. So let's see what they are. The Creta also gets Apple CarPlay, so you can play the music via your phone, and you can even check some apps of your phone with this. I'm just using a old iPhone, so it doesn't have many apps on it, but you can use the apps, and it gets Android Auto and mirroring, So even if you don't like the navigation system on the car, you can of course use your phone's Google Map. So that's a plus point. Another good thing about the car is that the key of the car is waterproof, so you can unlock the car after you come back from a swim. Third good thing about the car is that it is made on a monocoque chassis, so the ride and handling balance is amazing, and the ground clearance also very good, so it can absorb any bump easily. And for Indian roads, I think that is the main thing in an SUV which we need. And it is not like a ladder frame SUV also, which will just bounce around in potholes and all, which is not that comfortable as a monocoque. So ladder and handling balance of this car is a lot better than any other ladder frame SUV which is higher in the segment. Now the rear wiper's washer fluid is hidden over here inside the stop lamp, so it does not look dirty like sticking out and bulging from here. So I'll show you that right now. Wiper. Yes, you just saw that. Once more. Yes, it just came out from there. So it looks cooler like that, otherwise just sticking out and bulging out from here or here on top. So that's also a plus point. The fifth cool feature about this car is that when you fold down the rear seats to carry large items, you can clamp the seat belt in this holder. So when you keep the seat up again, pull the seat back up, the seat belt won't get stuck in the seat, which is a good thing when you're keeping large items in the car. Let's talk about the engine of the car. So it is a 1.6 liter CRDI 16V 4-cylinder diesel engine. It produces 126 horsepower and 260 Nm of torque, which can take the car from 0 to 100 in 10.5 seconds, which is actually very very quick for a small car like this. And one more good thing is there is no insulation, but still there is no noise in the cabin. The engine is very very silent on high speeds, and even on low speeds it does not rattle like some cars do. That is also very nice. Now you know why the Hyundai Creta was one of the best selling cars in this segment. So I'll see you guys next time in another video real soon. Bye bye, take care.
Said you'd be around for me, baby. When you gotta break your